Here's a quick how-to video on how to use our Dominator low and high gloss paver sealers. Before applying, please pay close attention to the following things. Temperature. The surface temperature should be between 50 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit and should not drop below the minimum temperature for at least 24 hours from the start of application. Additionally, do not apply if rain is forecasted within the next 24 hours. Next, paver age. All new masonry and concrete must cure 30 to 90 days before applying the sealer. Do not seal right away, as this will cause performance issues. Also look at previous sealer. If you're concerned your pavers may have come pre-sealed, perform a porosity test. Add a spoonful of water to one of the top of your pavers and watch and see if the water seeps into the pavers or rests on top. If it rests on top, do not proceed. Contact support. Now you're ready to start. For this project, you will need Dominator Paver Sealer, a garden sprayer, and a paint roller. A pressure washer also comes in handy, but is not required. Step 1. Prep your surface by pressure washing any stains or dirt, or as an alternative, you may use a mild degreaser and rinse thoroughly. Step 2. Protect any surfaces that you don't want sealed. Step 3. Gently mix the solution by tilting the bottle up and down a few times, but do not shake it. Step 4. Apply 1 to 2 coats of the sealer with a battery-operated or pump-up garden sprayer, then back roll for even coverage. Allow 1 hour of dry time between coats, and do not over-apply the product. Step 5. Allow the sealer to set for at least 24 hours before walking on your pavers and 48 to 72 before driving on them. Now you're done. Enjoy clean, stain-proof pavers all year round.